So, as I've already said, photosynthesis is the process by which the leaves prepare their own food. So, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. And in the absence of sunlight, a plant cannot prepare its own food. Leaves use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll to make food for the plant. So, the chlorophyll is a green colored pigment present on the leaf, and that gives the green color to the leaves and the plant. Plants absorb water and minerals from the soil through roots. Roots are the part of the plant that grows below the ground, and shoot or stem is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. And the function of a root is to absorb the water and minerals from the soil and transfer it to the shoot. The shoot in turn transfers the water and nutrients to the different parts of the plant, especially the leaves, where the leaves prepare the food. And if you take the roots, there are two types, that is your taproot and your fibrous root. The taproot buries deep into the ground and is able to absorb the water and nutrients necessary for a plant. But a fibrous root is found on the surface of the soil, and it holds the soil firmly and thus prevents soil erosion. These are then carried through the stem to leaves. The leaves absorb the sunlight falling on them through chlorophyll. So, the chlorophyll is a green colored pigment present on the leaves, and only through chlorophyll the sunlight is absorbed by the leaf. Stomata takes in carbon dioxide. So, if you take a leaf, on the underside of the leaf you will find tiny pores on the leaf that absorbs the carbon dioxide. So, stomata takes in carbon dioxide. The food is prepared and is then sent to various parts of the plant from the leaves. The process in which plants use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is known as photosynthesis. Some amazingly different plants. So, we are going to see some amazingly different plants. The first is your cactus. As I have already told you, a cactus is a desert plant, and it is the only plant that can survive in a desert. A cactus does not have leaves. So, instead of leaves, it has spines. So, it has leaves that are reduced to spines, serving to protect the loss of water. So, the spines protect the loss of water. Its green stem makes food. So, the cactus's green stem makes food. They are desert plants. They grow in dry places where other plants have trouble living. So, cactus grow in dry places where other plants cannot survive. Their ability to store water keeps them alive. So, if you touch a cactus plant, if you press it, you will find water coming out. So, their ability to store water keeps them alive. Their spines discourage animals from eating them. So, the spines that are present on the cactus plant discourages animals from eating them. Example, if you take a rose plant, and you can't pluck a rose very easily because the presence of thorns on the plant. The thorns will prick your fingers. So, just like a rose plant, a cactus has instead of leaves, it has spines that could poke you in case it is touched.